Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Right, so today I want to teach us or show us an app, that looks like Instagram, that pays you for posting pictures. All right, so the name of the app is APPICS. So here's the app right here. Right, so just like Instagram, you can post whatever you want to post, pictures, short videos, and then you get paid in cryptocurrency. Right, so this guy had a drawing and he has made $0.048 dollars, and this guy posted a picture and has made $1. Now imagine the thousands of pictures you've been posting on your Instagram and just getting likes that are not worth money. Right, you can actually do the same thing on APPICS, right, and make some cool dollars for yourself. So as you can see, this post has $4, right? So now this dollars has is a cryptocurrency. So all you have to do, by the time you get paid, so let's see if I can go get the payment part. Let's see. All right, so let me show you my account right here. So this is my profile on the platform. As you can see, I hardly post here though, but I want to resume. I have $112, and that is my referral link for Binance. And as you can see, I've been posting, right? I've been posting some stuff. This was when I went for this was December, I guess. I went for a charity event. So I made $1 from this, right? So you guys can check it out. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. And please don't forget to follow me. My username on this platform is Samsticks right here. This is it, Samsticks, right? So download the app and let me know if you like it. Thanks.